just over a month away from Jamaica's Reggae Boyz kicking off their World Cup qualifying campaign. And as we look to get back to the promised land again in 2026, we play the Dominican Republic on June 6th at the National Stadium. Now let us brand that day the reopening of the office. And the Maverick is making the call early. Jamaica, let us get out and support the team from the get-go. If you can't be there from the get-go, hop on to the wagon early. Because all things considered, this Reggae Boyz team has a very good chance and indeed should qualify for the World Cup. Think about it. Very few, if any, of the current Reggae Boyz, Demario Gray, Michael Antonio, Bobby Reed, even Leon Bailey, none of them have ever experienced a fully active, fully vibrant, fully full national stadium, and that is a travesty. We, the fans, need to fix that for this campaign. Let it not be said that the Jamaican fans did not come out and support the team. Make them say something else or find some other excuse. Because when this campaign hurt, let it not be the fan them fault.